We experienced Custer State Park with Diana's friend Doreen, who was with us for most of the South Dakota places we visited. In the southern part of the Black Hills, Custer State Park provides a rolling hill sanctuary for wildlife. Among the picturesque views, we also saw burros, bison, pronghorn sheep, bighorn sheep, mountain goats, and prairie dogs as we traveled the 18-mile wildlife loop road. We worked our way north to the entrance of the 14-mile Needle Highway through pine and spruce forests and winding switchbacks until we reached the rugged granite peaks among the birch and aspen tree line. The highway brought us to Sylvan Lake, surrounded by more of the granite spires. Mount Rushmore was a bucket list item for our guest Doreen, and it didn't disappoint. As we walked through the Avenue of Flags, we were able to read the dates each was brought into the Union and what makes each state unique. We learned the history of the iconic monument and came back for a nighttime show that included a lighting ceremony and honored our veterans in attendance. It was a moving experience that left us feeling proud and patriotic. The Crazy Horse Memorial pays tribute to all Native Americans and their Lakota chief. It includes a great museum with a vast collection of Indian art and artifacts, along with lectures, films, song and dance presentations. Work on the Granite Hills began in 1948 and should be completed around 2037. It's currently far enough along to be awesome to behold. About 50 miles south of Mount Rushmore, Wind Cave National Park offered a variety of ranger-led cave tours, and I opted to go on the moderate natural entrance tour that lasted 1.25 hours and took me down about 300 steps, but only 2/3 of a mile of the 154 miles discovered. The cave is a sacred site for many Native Americans and is known for its rare boxwork formations. Above ground, the park is home to the same wildlife we found in Custer. Devil's Tower is an iconic geological wonder that was proclaimed as America's first national monument by Theodore Roosevelt in 1906. The Spearfish Canyon National Scenic Byway is a 19-mile winding road known for its dramatic limestone cliffs, waterfalls, and opportunities for hiking and scenic views. The historic town of Deadwood has been well established in books, television shows, and movies. Classic characters such as Wild Bill Hickok, Calamity Jane, and Seth Bullock are all part of Deadwood's rich history as a rowdy mining camp. Badlands National Park is known for its impressive collection of fossils and geological formations. hour south of the state border lies Toadstool Geological Park in the northwest corner of Nebraska. It looked interesting, so we made the stop on our way to the South Dakota. This area gives the appearance of a foothills for the Badlands area. We found the hike to be fascinating. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up like button. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.